Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading 2 cups roasted peanuts into the blender. Add 1/2 teaspoons salt and 1 teaspoon neutral oil to help emulsify. Start with short pulses so the blades engage the nuts without stalling. This prevents motor strain. Once the mixture breaks down into coarse crumbs, use a tamper or stop and scrape sides. Make sure to tighten the lid and keep hands clear. This initial rhythm sets a smooth baseline and controls heat buildup, which preserves flavor. You continue by switching to longer bursts. Blend 20 to 40 seconds, then stop and scrape the jar thoroughly. This avoids clumping and moves paste to the blades. As it loosens, add oil in 1/2 teaspoon increments until you reach the mouthfeel you want, creamier or slightly chunky. Once done, taste and adjust salt or add 1 teaspoon honey for sweetness. Make sure to keep the motor cool. If warm, pause 2-3 minutes to prevent overheating and preserve texture. You finish by transferring peanut butter into a clean, airtight jar, pressing the surface to remove air pockets and sealing while slightly warm. Store in the fridge for up to 4 weeks and make sure to stir if oil separates on top. If your butter feels gritty, return it to the blender and pulse in short bursts, adding just 1/4 teaspoon oil at a time. Avoid long high-speed runs that heat the paste and cause graininess. This preserves creaminess and flavor integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.